Hey, we're at demo day on the newest flip here, and I forgot all about videoing it, so we're gonna get some action shots here. Let's check it out. This is it's a 3.2 in Slidell. It's a nice house. It's got good bones. We're not doing much to this house, but we are demoing. Let's see. So here's the kitchen. We're knocking down the fur downs once again. We had a bunch of sheetrock. We had some like sheet metal all over the wall. Hey Clay. We took the sheet metal down. We had a wall here that they sectioned off, a little bedroom that we just took down. Got some wires there that are probably hot, so I shouldn't kick the board around. So the special thing about this house is sheetrock. We got this. It's gonna be really hard to tell, but we got the texture on these walls are like really thick. You can see that, and it's really ugly. And the only way to fix it is to either hang all new drywall or you do what's called a skim coat. So we're gonna have to come and just layer the mud up like 2 coats thick on those walls and the ceilings. That's the sheetrock, guys, getting started. In order to get rid of it. So in here you can see the walls, just like real thick. And we're gonna have to do it to the whole house. It's gonna cost like $4 grand to do that. So anyways, this will be a quick one. We'll probably be done in 2 weeks. But like I said, today's demo day. I just wanted to show a little bit. So we'll show you when it's done.